Namaste everyone, my name is Adav
My name is Anitish.
And my name is Shivayan.
and we are here to share our experience of the ATL Mega Tinkering Fest. Our experience was overall very amazing and we worked with the kids to make these vacuum cleaners. We had an excellent briefing session in the start and
So, on to the science of this vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner has two chambers, the one which we made, and a CPU fan that we used to provide a suction for sucking the dust particles. So, when the CPU fan spins, it pushes the air backwards. When it pushes the air backwards, the air in the front gets pushed backwards. So it creates a vacuum in the front, a partial vacuum. This causes the dust particles, or for our case, paper particles, to get sucked by the vacuum cleaner.
So in the model we have made, we used two plastic bottles, one CPU fan and a plastic hose for the vacuum. The main structure of it is that the CPU fan is put inside one half of the bottle and then sealed with the other half. And then we can move on to the demonstration of the vacuum.
give the mic to me.
So as you can see, the vacuum cleaner is sucking up these paper particles. It's because our CPU fan over here spins, creating a partial vacuum that sucks up these particles. And these particles are stored over here. So that's for our demonstration. And we also have holes in the back of this vacuum cleaner. That's because when air is pushed backwards, the air is released through these holes, and only when it's released, the vacuum is created properly. So more the holes, better the suction. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste. As an ATL in charge, it was a really nice event which we successfully conducted at the school. Our children participated with wholehearted and enthusiasm. Our mentors stood by them and supported them for the event. The volunteers definitely came in to rescue our children when they got stuck, and this event was a mega hit for us. We enjoyed it. Ma'am, as a mentor?
Yeah, as a mentor, it was very satisfying to see children as young as sixth graders cutting the bottles, assembling different parts, shouldering the propeller and the motor, and all of this they did as a team. They divided the work, and few of the teams, they had left no space for the filter to be fixed. Propeller was very close, so they again troubleshooted and came up with the idea of a bottle ring which can be put, and on top of it filter can be fitted, and made their vacuum cleaner work.
Yeah, very true. I think what is the key takeaway that I feel is learning from challenges. When they were doing all the teams, different teams, 8 to 9 teams, when they were working in parallel, the volunteers pitched in and supported them. Each team had some issue or the other. Somewhere the cardboard was not in the right size. Somewhere as ma'am said, the propellers, they didn't fit it at the right spacing. Or they had issues, soldering was coming out, soldering was not proper. The 9th and 10th grade volunteer children who were supporting them were just spontaneous, and instantly they were giving solutions, alternate suggestions, and then they did the soldering, recutting, helped them complete it. I think by the end, all the teams successfully completed making the vacuum cleaner, and then I think this is definitely a cherishable moment in itself, because the process that they had gone through, where the challenges that they saw, the hiccups they faced, how they handled it, has actually taught more than the actual vacuum cleaner itself. So I think it's been really, really enjoyable for all of us also to see how children had actually evolved, the participants, how they learned, the volunteers, how they supported, and in that process, what they have learned. It's a great day to cherish, and thanks to the ATL initiatives for conducting this. Thank you.